Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno7, and today I'll show you how you can record screen on this phone. So, to get started, let's pull down our notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me is basically the last toggle visible right over here. Once you locate it, we can hold it. This will take us to the settings, as you can see right here. Even though it says picture, I believe it refers to, I'm pretty sure it refers to the video instead of picture, because it gives us resolution plus bitrate. So yeah, now in here I do recommend changing it to 1080p. This will give you a far better image quality. And going back, we also have the frame rate. It is set to dynamic, though, let's be honest, there's nothing dynamic about 30 flipping frames. So just set it to the highest, because 30 is the highest and it's still pitiful. So that's the bare minimum I would recommend. Nothing below that, to be honest. So yeah. And that's basically all you really need to change. Once you went through there, you can go back to the toggle, tap on it, agree, and allow access to whatever it needs. And it gives us a little overlay right here to record, access the settings, which we already did, and also close the overlay. So I'm gonna select the record button. As you can see, it automatically starts recording. So whatever you will do right now, whatever app you will open will be recorded. And once you're done, interact with the overlay, then select the red square, and this will stop and save the recording. Now going back to what I just said a moment ago, it records everything that you open. There is a little caveat to it. It does not record exactly everything. For instance, bank applications have some kind of like insight into your system and will know if you try, for instance, to take a screenshot or record screen and they block it. And also Netflix does the same exact thing, and I assume probably majority of the other streaming platforms will do the same thing. So just keep that in mind. Anyway, now that we have finished the video recording, we can locate it in our photo application, as you can see right over here. So there we go. That's our screen recording. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.